Hi there, it's Grant here, and in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to reveal how I've personally made $325,000 in 2.5 years with affiliate marketing. And the purpose of this video is to just give you pure value of how I've done it. So hopefully it can help you if you want to get into affiliate marketing in 2023. So with that said, let's get on with the video. So I first got into affiliate marketing in, I think it was the end of March 2020. And up until then, I was basically media buying for ClickFunnels. I joined ClickFunnels as a media buying contractor in 2019. And yeah, I'll be honest, ClickFunnels was great. But the problem was, whilst the money was okay, I just felt like I wanted to start my own business. And whilst I technically did have my own business with ClickFunnels, there was only so much money I could make. I mean, I could have taken on more clients as a media buyer, but it just didn't fire me up enough. And I'd been media buying on and off from my main source of income for a couple of years prior to that. And I think I was just burnt out with media buying. Whilst you can earn a lot of money with media buying and sort of consulting people on Facebook ads and the like, it is hard work, and the clients can basically suck you dry and drain you. And it is quite a stressful business. Of course, you can scale and get other people to buy for you and you just collect the checks, but that didn't interest me. So my affiliate journey started in March 2020. It was complete fate, I believe, to start me in a new direction. And it was exactly the right decision for me, because up until then I'd really wanted to work with a company called Agora. I didn't know how I was going to work with them. If you don't know who Agora are, they're basically the largest privately owned financial publishing company in the world. They're probably the number one direct response marketers out there. They're a $1 billion company across all of their companies. They're huge, and they've got the best copywriters on the planet. And I mean, anyone who's been on the online marketing, internet marketing world, Agora are the big dogs, and I really wanted to work with them. And to cut a long story short, one day I was on Facebook and I saw a post from a subsidiary of Agora, and the company was called Legacy Research, and the CEO of Legacy Research is someone called Fernando. Basically, he put out a post inviting people to join the party and promote one of his launches. And he was doing he was just about to undertake a massive launch. Long story short, reached out, became an affiliate for them, and did a launch at the end of March 2022. It was my first ever sort of main foray into affiliate marketing. And during that first launch, I earned about $1,000, which was great, because yeah, it showed me the power of affiliate marketing. Now, I think about 6 weeks later, there's another launch, and this was in the crypto space, and at the time crypto was exploding. I think it was called 5 coins to 5 million, the launch was, and it was the same company with a Legacy Research, and Agora, and the guru was Teeka Tiwari. It was basically pitching 5 crypto coins were going to explode, hence 5 coins to 5 million. And bearing in mind this was only my second launch, I absolutely crushed it. Basically, it was the way the launch worked. You had to drive leads into their hot list. I did this because the only asset I had, I didn't have an email list, so I was just using Google Ads. I was targeting basically the guru who was promoting it, because I knew he had a huge search volume. So I basically set up a really simple Google search ad and started driving leads into the the launch funnel, targeting Teeka Tiwari terms, and that did killer. I think I generated about 150 leads. I think it cost me like £500, and basically, off that first launch, I earned £9,000. Unbelievable! It was incredible. I think I made, I got $1,200 a sale, because it was a big back end product they were selling. They did a 50% rev share. Yeah, and I generated about 8 sales, $9,000. And then over the next week, they did further closing. I mean, they had sales team and all the rest of it. And I did another 6 sales. So I think in all, for the launch, in about 2 weeks, I did £15,000. It was unbelievable. Silly money. Bearing in mind what I was earning at ClickFunnels. And that really showed me the power of affiliate marketing. And basically, I think I did another launch, which did really well. I think I earned like another 8-9 grand. And then what I did, I started promoting the front end offers. Now, the main sort of way Legacy Research get sort of new customers is that they've got all of these sort of different companies that focus on different forms of investing. But at the time, they had a company called the Palm Beach Letter, which the guru was Tika Tiwari, and they had a huge promo. I remember it was called The Investment of a Decade. It was basically pitching sort of like this crypto investment, which is called the blockchain. The blockchain is basically going to power crypto. And that was kind of like the big idea for the promo. Anyway, long story short, I started a Google Ads campaign, Google search ads, because I was highly experienced with that. And then basically what I did, I started promoting this newsletter. How I did that, because I couldn't drive traffic directly to the page, so I had to create a bridge page, which I did through ClickFunnels. Just created a simple bridge page which drove traffic to the cart page, and I just targeted the name of a product, which was called the Palm Beach Letter. And long story short, I was making money almost immediately, and throughout that year, I was doing $6,000 to $10,000 months. And basically, this is really how I started my affiliate marketing business proper. I was just promoting these front ends, newsletters. I was getting about $150 per sale for just driving one customer, which was super easy. Just targeting these products on Google Ads, driving traffic. I was just directing people searching for these products to the pre-cart page. That's all I was doing. So I was I had a Google search ad campaign. I was just targeting the keywords of a product name, and I was doing 5 to 10 sales a day. So I was earning anywhere from $500 to over $1,000 a day. I was killing it, and this quickly grew to a 6-figure business. And yeah, over the next 18 months, this is all I did. Simple Google search ad campaigns, targeting the keywords of these front end newsletters. And it was making me 5 to 10 sales every day. Now, at the beginning of 2022, I noticed, because these products were selling so well, loads of affiliates started coming into the space. And they were bidding on the same terms with me with their Google search ads. And I noticed that my sales were suffering. I mean, sales started nosediving. So basically, what I did, I knew I had to do something, because there were just too many affiliates bidding on these terms with Google search ads. So basically, I remember in December 2021, I uploaded a video sales letter, because the company I was working with, Legacy Research, they gave you all of their videos, which is brilliant. They just sent me a file for the video sales letter, and I just thought, I'm going to upload it to YouTube. So I uploaded it for YouTube. No idea what I was doing. It was a new channel. Long story short, that video took off. I ranked it for the guru term, which was Tika Tiwari, he was interviewed on the video. Long story short, no idea what I was doing. That video took off. It was getting hundreds of views a day. I think it was getting up to 1,000 views a day at times. And that video was producing $500 to $1,000 a day. And this video, it went on for about 2 months. I was making loads of money, and that opened my eyes to the power of YouTube. So this is where I started changing, my business model around a bit of how I generated sales for these front-end products. Basically, I started a YouTube channel, and basically, rather than using Google search ads to target these products, I use YouTube ads, because here's the thing. most people, when they start a YouTube channel, they're just focusing on trying to build their audience and get that audience to buy stuff from them. Whilst that works great, you need a really engaged audience and you need a big audience as well. And it takes a super long time. It can take 1 or 2 years to establish a YouTube channel. You can start sooner, obviously, but it is, for most people, it's not a quick process. But the sneaky way of generating traffic with YouTube and making money with YouTube and with affiliate marketing, and or even selling your own products, is to rank YouTube videos targeting products using keywords. And that's exactly what I did. So ever since early 2022, I've changed how I promote affiliate marketing products to just using YouTube. I mean, I still do ads, but I mostly just use YouTube now. So what I'll do is I'll create a product review video for one of these financial newsletters. And then what I'll do is I'll rank that video for the product name. So for example, I'm promoting a product called Parmalee Letter. I'll just optimize that video to rank for the Parmalee Letter using YouTube, and after a couple of videos, those videos will start ranking on page 1 for Google, which means I get a load of traffic and a load of sales. And this is how I personally generated $325,000 in 2.5 years with affiliate marketing. And I believe anyone can do this. And I think this is wide open now. So yeah, this is so powerful, guys. Because here's the thing. You can, it doesn't really matter which product, you know, the first thing you need to do is you need to find a great product. This is the most important thing, a product that converts. And I can tell you, the financial products I was promoting, I've never found a product that's converted better. To this day, they still generate me sales day in and day out. And obviously, once you found a great product, in my opinion, outside of having like a really engaged email list, the 2 top ways to promote affiliate products, I think, is with Google search ads and creating product review videos on YouTube and ranking those products around the product's name and terms. Now, what I will say, with Google search ads, not every sort of publisher or company will allow you to use their brand terms or product terms for Google search ads. About 50% of companies do, but a lot won't, which is a bit of a bummer, because honestly, promoting affiliate products with Google search ads targeting the product terms is some of the easiest money you will ever make, especially if those product terms have got volume. Now, if you can't promote an affiliate product with Google search ads and bid on brand terms, then probably the next best thing you can do is create a YouTube channel, create product review videos, and then start promoting them, promoting those product review videos to the product terms, ranking them for the product terms. Honestly, this is all I have done to make $325,000 with affiliate marketing in 2.5 years. And if you want to start an affiliate marketing business in 2023, this is how I advise you do it. So I'm just going to recap how you can start an affiliate marketing business and start making sales, within your first 30 days with affiliate marketing. Now, what you need to do is pick a niche. Pick a niche that makes sense for you. Like I said, when I first started, I did the financial publishing niche and worked with legacy research, but you don't have to do this. Just pick a niche that you find interesting and find a really high performing product and go all in. My advice is only promote products that pay you $100 or more, because otherwise it's just going to be tough to make a load of money with it. Now the next thing you want to do once you've picked a winning product that pays you $100 or more per sale, what I would do is ask the affiliate sort of manager to ask if you can promote that product with Google search ads. If it's yes, if you can promote that product with Google search ads, great. Start bidding on the brand terms, put some money towards it and see if you're generating sales. I mean, with this method, you could potentially make sales within your first 24 to 48 hours. If your affiliate manager turns around and says, no, you can't promote this product with Google search ads, my advice is create a YouTube channel, create product review videos for the products you want to promote, and then start ranking them for that product term. So say, for example, you want to start promoting ClickFunnels, create product review videos around ClickFunnels and start ranking them for the term ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels 2.0, and you get the idea. Rank them for the videos. Create as many videos for you can around those keywords. Find as many angles. Start ranking videos, and then, within 7 to 14 days, you could start generating, sales. And the beautiful thing is, with these product review videos that you rank on YouTube and Google, those videos are out in cyberspace pretty much forever. And they, potentially they could be bringing you sales day in and day out. So guys, sorry I've rambled on a bit, but I really hope this has given you some value. But basically, this is how I've made $325,000 in 2.5 years with affiliate marketing. I'll just recap for you. So basically, I picked a niche, financial publishing niche. I did a launch promoting a high ticket product, $1,200 per sale. Then I started promoting the front end financial newsletters with Google Ads. I was getting paid $150 per sale. Then I started a YouTube channel, started doing product review videos, promoting these products and ranking these videos for the product names. That is how I've made $325,000 in 2.5 years. And this is how you can become an affiliate as well and start growing your own affiliate marketing business in 2023. So anyway, guys, that's what I've got for you. I hope you got value out of this video. If you did, why not like this video so it tells YouTube's algorithm that people are liking it, so it can reach more people. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer your questions and help you out. Anyway, I hope you found this video super informative and valuable, and I'll speak to you soon.